In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add change phone number on Outlook. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the phone you want to use, since Microsoft will text you a code to verify it. Start by signing into your Microsoft account. You can go to account.microsoft.com or open outlook.com. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture in the top corner and choose My Profile. From here, you'll either see an option called Edit Account Info, or you can head to the Security section within your account settings. Both paths lead to the same place where your contact details and security info are managed. Now it's time to update the phone number. Look for Add Phone Number if you're adding a new one. If you already have a number on file, you'll see options next to it to edit or remove it. Choose the option that matches what you want to do. When entering your number, select the correct country code and type the full number without extra characters. Microsoft doesn't accept most internet-based or VoIP numbers here, so use a mobile number that can receive standard text messages. After you submit the new number, Microsoft will send a verification code via SMS. Keep an eye on your messages and enter the code exactly as shown. If the code doesn't arrive within a minute or two, double-check that the country code and number are correct, and look for an option to resend the code. Be patient, sometimes texts can be delayed by your carrier. Once you enter the code, confirm to finish the verification. Be sure to save your changes if you see a Save or Done button. Some pages save automatically after verification, but it's a good habit to confirm that everything is locked in. To make sure the update is reflected correctly, go back to the Security section, then into Security Info, and check that your new phone number is listed and marked as verified. If you edited or removed an old number, verify that the outdated one no longer appears, or that it shows the updated digits. That's it. Thanks for watching.